These intake snoring strips is exactly what I've been waiting for, because it be sounding like I'm sleeping next to a grizzly bear. If you know, you know. So, let's get into it. It's like, hold up, watch our video. Okay, so these are the nose strips. I promise you, I'm trying these out tonight. But it looks like it comes with 4. I still got to look into everything. But these nose strips will be getting used faithfully if they work good. I'm going to go ahead and link them below. If y'all got somebody that snores like a grizzly bear, grab you some.